Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how you can manage WhatsApp group within your CRM. As we all know, WhatsApp groups are where your sales, support, and project teams collaborate and communicate, sometimes for internal discussion, but most of the time to close deals and resolve issues. But as your business grows, the number of groups increases. Conversations get scattered, making it difficult for you to find them. Follow-ups are missed, and managers will not have visibility. Today, we will see how to tackle these issues with PepperCloud AI WhatsApp CRM. First, let's log into CRM by entering the credentials. Once we log in, we need to connect our WhatsApp web. For that, let's first go to Admin Settings. Here we have to go to Integration. Click on Channels. Here we need to choose the WhatsApp web channel. Now we have to scan the QR code from the WhatsApp app. The WhatsApp web channel is connected successfully. Once connected, we can give a name to WhatsApp web channel and add required description. And there we go. Our WhatsApp web channel is ready to use. Now, we have to create a WhatsApp group from the phone. Let me quickly show you how. First, open WhatsApp app. Click the plus icon and go to New Group. Choose the contacts to add to the group. Give your group a name and create it. Send the first message from the mobile phone. Now let's go back to our CRM. Here we can see that the WhatsApp group has already been fetched in our message module. From now on, every message that you send or receive on this WhatsApp group will automatically sync with the CRM. Next, let's look at who is in the group. The Details panel shows every participant. Existing CRM records are recognized quickly. Group members who are not in the CRM can be added as leads or contacts. Now, let's add the group member as a contact. Fill in name and details such as privacy details, contact details, designation, and email address. After that, you can click Save. We can also send individual messages to the group members. For this, go to the details of the group member and click the Send Message icon next to the record. We can also choose the accounts and opportunities to associate. Here you can see the details of the accounts. You can also view the opportunity pipeline and its value. Not just that, we can even update the opportunity right from this screen. Now, every future conversation in this group becomes part of the customer's complete history inside the CRM. So, in this video, we saw how you can easily manage WhatsApp groups from within your CRM. To see how you can sync your WhatsApp groups to the CRM, talk to us today.